Good morning students, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had started chapter 3 advanced features of word processor where we had seen format painter and shadow effect. Today we are going to discuss shadow effect to a word art text and superscript subscript. Okay, so let's start. So here we have shadow effect to a word art text. First let me explain you word art, how to insert word art text in your document. After that I will show you how to give shadow effect to a word art text. Okay, so for that here we have 4 steps. First, click insert tab. Step 2, click word art button. Step 3, select the word art style from the drop down list. And step 4, write your text in text box. Okay, now let me show you how to insert word art in your document. First, click on insert tab. Second, click on word art button. Third, select the style from drop down list. This is the drop down list. Okay, I'm going to select this. Then fourth, write your text like this is how you can insert word art text in your document. Now how to give shadow effect to this text? First, select the text, then click on format tab under the drawing tool. Just click on format tab under the drawing tool, then save effect. Click on save effect, then click on shadow effect. Now from here you can choose any one. Like I'm going to select this one, offset top. Now you can observe the shadow appeared just behind the text. Okay, this is how you can give shadow effect to a word art text. Understood? Next is superscript. Superscript option places the selected text slightly above the baseline. So here we have example a square plus b square, where you can see a and b is written in baseline and 2 is written just above the baseline. Okay, now see the example how to apply superscript. First, select the text where you want to apply superscript formatting. Okay, then click on superscript in font group. The text will be changed to superscript. Okay, once again select the text where you want superscript formatting, then click on superscript button. As you can see on the screen, this is the superscript button. Just click on superscript button, the text will be changed to superscript. Understood? This is how you can apply superscript. And the last, subscript. Subscript option places the selected text below the baseline. In superscript we have seen that allow us to write the text above the baseline. Subscript allow us to write the text below the baseline. Okay, as you can see the example here, this option is written just below the baseline, whereas places is written in baseline. Okay, now see the example how to apply subscript. The same way, first select the text where you want to apply subscript formatting. Okay, then click on subscript button. The text will be changed to subscript. The same way, select the text, click on subscript button, the text will be changed to subscript. Okay. As you can see, 2 is below the baseline. Okay, here also 2 is below the baseline. Okay, this is how you can apply the subscript. So in this video we have understood how to give shadow effect to a word art text, then how to use superscript and subscript, how to apply superscript and subscript. Okay, so what is superscript, children? Superscript option places the selected text slightly above the base line. Okay, What is subscript? Subscript option places the selected text below the baseline. Understood? I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.